The job description industrial design should be retired. Automation and 3D printing technologies have outclassed this profession that once required a great deal of creativity and physical labor. Today, all is needed is an individual capable to use, within a certain skill set, some sort of a 3D software. The rest is done by the engineers on site and the machine. Soon, the engineer will be removed too, and the machines will do the rest. This profession had a great life the entire 20th century because there was the need to create a whole new reality of products that did not exist before. Industrial designers of the past placed together art and crafting so the development and production process could exist in a small yet more controllable environment. Companies like Alessi, Cattell and Brown were all characterized by important authors at the time where productivity wasn't global like it is nowadays. Today, brands think in large scales, and in order to be able to continue to do so, they have integrated different profiles in their conceptual process. We have stylists, intellectuals, writers, artists, professors, and CEOs, which all have contributed to this change. Even if you might think companies like IKEA as a brand just fostering industrial designers, you are wrong. The field of design has spawned other path choices that creative people began to follow and to improve. If yesterday graphic designers were painting and cutting papers to fulfill the client orders and requests, today they are designing websites. And those who didn't make the jump perished and found out the hard way that the world has no use for them. We had plenty of job ads wanting industrial designers turn out actually to be requests for candidates with extremely good software rendering skill first. But why? Some companies have been requiring these profiles, like manufacturers or parts and components. They need candidates to be able to manufacture and design things like window, door frames, electrical components, or some other hazy unspecified custom production line. Some others dares to ask for an engineering degree so they can place the candidate to occupy a position for the salary of one. By the way, they all offer a fast-paced environment too. Nowadays, the field of design has outgrown industrial design and placed it in the backseat. If industrial designers are required to develop silk screens and cabinet doors, I'm afraid these companies have been looking for the wrong candidates. What they need is actually an AutoCAD operator graduated from any college that offers technical training, or a technician specialized in operate a set of software machines. Creativity is not required and it's quasi-absent from these job applications. However, at the source of this snag, there has been a change in academia, where university courses began introducing their elements inside industrial design programs. Environmental and health issues are part of the equation, and suddenly the traditional development path of the industrial designer faces other inputs requiring other sets of skills, some of which the majority might not possess. So here's the need for another type of designers to help the process. In a short period of time from the beginning of the year 2000, industrial design lost relevance in the market, finding itself replaced by others in the design field. Articles denouncing the peril of this happening were already emerging more than 10 years ago, putting in the same basket similar careers at risk of disappearing entirely, like chief design officers, for example. But why? Because industrial design in itself cannot exist in a vacuum, and the binary helix of form-function has departed from its mold. Products of today have become so multi-layered, they demand other expertise to evolve. Expertise the industrial designer must acquire to become hybrid and to shed away its industrial prefix in order to survive. Innovation is not anymore the traditional six-faced dice, but a multifaceted one that resembles more a sophisticated shape, like a dodecahedron, more than anything else.